Hey, I'm Mike Sadler with Speed and Shine. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Mega XMAR U2000 jump starter. The box is kind of small. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Get the plastic off. All right. Yeah. You know how boxes can be sometimes. Oh, comes in a nice carrying case. All right. USB charging cable. Warranty instruction sheet. Cable connection. Connect to the battery. Looks like another cable there. Oh, and here it is. Boy, that is small. This is going to start my car. It's going to be a good test. Look at that. It says it's at 79% right out of the box. It's probably not enough to start the car. It takes about an hour to charge it. Let's put this on a charger and we'll get back to it. So it's been an hour. Let's check it. There we go, 100%. We're ready to start the car. Now the Maverick hasn't been running a while while I'm doing body work on it, so I know it needs a jump, so let's get it started. This instructions come right in the box. Got to insert the jumper cable, green light on, then start. So let's do that. Here's the cable. This goes right in here. Oh, only goes one way, so you can't mess it up. Green light's flashing, means we did it right. I'm gonna come over here and put this on the cables. Red goes on positive, black on ground or negative. Solid light. We're ready to start it. Let's go give it a start. Wow, started the car right up, small enough. You got a flashlight on there. Got an SOS. Got a strobe. This is really neat. And, you know, it's inexpensive enough. You can put one in every car, and just a couple charges, it pays for itself. I'm Mike Sadler at Speed and Shine. Thank you.